In this video, I am going to show you how you can fix the D3D11 error message which usually occurs when playing Fortnite, but it can also occur on other games as well. So if you are getting an error message like the one displayed in my screen, now what you need to do is head over to the start menu on your computer and search for the adjust the appearance, then select adjust the appearance and performance on Windows. Click on advanced. Under virtual memory, click on change. Just uncheck automatically manage paging file size for all drives. Click on custom size and in the initial size type 1024 and in the maximum size you have to do some calculations. So for that, open calculator from the search box and here you have to multiply 1024 with the number of gigabytes you have as your RAM. Since I have 8 GB of RAM, so I am multiplying 1024 with 8 and it equals 8192. So you have to write that down in maximum size. But if you have 16 GB of RAM, then multiply 1024 with 16 and this is the number you have to write in the maximum size under custom size and click on set and click on OK. This should have now fixed that error message. But if you are still getting an issue, what you can do instead is head over to the start menu and search for device manager. Here you will see display adapters. Just expand it by clicking on the arrow near it and you need to locate your graphics card underneath display adapters. Then all we are going to do is right click on your graphics card and click on disable device. After that, click on yes to confirm and then what you need to do is re-enable this device by right clicking back on it and clicking on enable device. Once you have made these changes, you will need to restart your PC and that should have now solved the error message. If you find this video helpful, for more tech updates like this, subscribe to Mac369 and hit a like.